Hi, my name is Andrea Lopez, and I created an app in code.org called My Event Manager using block code. This app is mainly aimed for teenagers in high school to keep track and organize of their community service events and school events. To start off, I had to design my app. I created multiple screens such as a calendar, event options, application forms for the event options, a contact screen, an event tracker, submitted screen, and my login screens. So for the code, I had to first create a login system to help me sign in and out of my accounts. So I used records and data for my code to remember the username and password for the new user or the old user. So if you run it and you create a new user, you can create a new account and it'll put it into the data. I also created a calendar, which was the hardest code. It took me the longest. I had to know a lot about variables and how to design the actual grid for the calendar. I had to know a lot of date code, so to know when the month started and what year it started in. So, but it works perfectly, and I have a drop down option, which I designed, and I have a year option as well. And you can go back using the back button, which I have in every screen using the on event. So if you click it, it'll take you to a different screen. For my events, I created event options, and you can fill out any of the information and you submit it, and it takes you to my event screen, which keeps track of what events you have done. You can easily submit these or go back. So if I submit them, it takes you to this screen, which you can use to go back or log out, which I also have another option here. The contact screen is just information about school. And that is basically it. It's pretty simple, but it'll definitely keep track of the events that you have done. And if you do this too, it'll also show here, and you can submit the events and log out. That is how my app works, and I use mostly on-event code for choosing the buttons and going back from screen to screen. And I used a lot of data as well as variables for my app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video.